Hi friends, welcome to Horizon 91. In this tutorial video, you are going to learn how to use the fill pattern. In earlier videos, you already learned how to use the sketch pattern and curve driven pattern. Or if you are not learned, not watch. You can get it from the I button here. The fill pattern helps you to select an area defined by a coplanar faces or sketch that lies on coplanar faces. So this command helps to fill that defined area with a certain uh, extra feature what you are applying, like a hole, maybe some extrude portions like that. Whatever shape you are make, you can patternize to the entire area, just fill that area. That is the only concept. In the other one, like sketch driven and curve driven, there is a driving feature was there. Here you are simply filling that area with that whatever pattern you want. For example, in bathroom, in our bathroom you see square drainage, there are plenty holes, no, like that. In sheet metal feature, the surface you want 20 holes, like that. That is just one example. Okay, let's see how to make the fill pattern, how to use this fill pattern feature. This fill pattern have a different types are there also. The preparation and the pattern is in circular manner, square manner, polygon manner. So you can also use the predefined cut shapes. You can all see in this property manager, but for this tutorial only focus how to use the fill pattern feature. I'm just simply show an example. After that, if you like the video, if you give me good feedback, so I will make the each one in detail. Okay, anyway, let's start with the tutorial. First we have to make one simple solid feature. I'm just creating one plate using the rectangular sketch by using the extrude boss feature. We just make a thickness. Okay, just a plate, rectangular plate. I'm making it square. I'm just sketching one. Okay, hole. I'm just putting one hole here on the center. Using the extrude cut feature, I'm making the sketch circular sketched into the hole. So you can see the hole is here. I'm just normalized to the surface. Okay, now you already exit the sketch. Okay, you go to linear pattern. Here you select the fill pattern from the features command manager. Okay, click. So the fill pattern property manager will appear here. So fill the boundary, which boundary you want to fill. So this is my, I want to pattern this hole in all regions, so this is my boundary. I select this is phase 1 as the boundary. So I am applying the preparation type. Okay, so my pattern is in the center of the uh, rectangular plate. Now I want to select the features, so I click on the design tree. This is the cut extrude one. So I'm select here which feature you want to patternize, features to pattern, just click. So the preview is available here. Okay, the oval circles are there. You can adjust the distance between the circles here, like I'm giving 0.8 or 0.9, 0.9. So my count, the valid, the count also, the whole count as per the selected boundary, it will automatically calculate as per the distance between them. It will change, the number of holes will change, and the degree from here to how much degree you want. Okay, I'm giving 30 degree, so it will be like this. If I make 50, oh no, 90 degree, then yeah, it will all be in linear from this face to the how much angle you want. So if it is 90 degree, from here to here 90 degree. I want okay, 50 degree I put. So here to here, that is 50 degree. So it will align in a such a way that the 50 degree. Okay, and the edge one is from here, this is the base point, it automatically select this edge one. From here this angle is set. Okay, and automatically you can validate the count of the holes also. Here I just click validate count. Yeah, once this red color gone, that means already it's fade now, that means it's already validated the count, the 33 holes is already validated. Now if you click OK, see the pattern you got, see all plate got the circular pattern. If you want to edit, go to edit feature, then you can change the type. If it is circular, it will be arranged like this. If you want it's rectangle, if you want this polygon, it will arrange, and you can arrange here instance of this sides of the polygon. Okay, giving four means 5 pentagon, arranged in a pentagon manner. And the distance you can put okay, make it less holes, 0.9. So this one will arrange like this. Okay, if I increase more, 1.3, see it's going to bigger one, bigger one. Okay, anyway, this is how it will works, and yeah, I hope you guys understand how to use the fill pattern. If you have any doubts, you feel free to comment through this video and watch this video and share to your friends too. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.